Looking for the best Instant Pot accessories? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Instant Pot accessories on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Mealthy CrispLid for pressure cooker. Pros: fits inside 6 to 8 quarts. Pressure cooker baskets. Includes a trivet, fryer basket, recipes, user manual, tongs, and a heat-resistant silicone mat. We like the glass lid, which lets you see what is cooking inside. BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cons: while it browns and crisps up food, it doesn't get truly fried. Some reports of faulty units. Bottom line: if you want an air fryer but not another bulky appliance, this fits into your pressure cooker to air fry foods. At number 2. Sysrion 9-piece accessories kit. Pros: includes a steamer basket, springform pan, steamer egg rack, egg bites mold, bowl clip, oven mitts, and scrub pad. Springform pan is non-stick to make it easy to use and clean. Increases the number of ways you can use your Instant Pot for a lower price than many other sets. Cons: the oven mitts still allow some heat through. Bottom line: an affordable accessory set that includes the most popular Instant Pot accessories. At number 1. MIBOTE 27-piece accessories set for Instant Pot. Pros: includes 2 steamer baskets, springform pan, egg steamer rack, tongs, egg bites mold, silicone pad, oven mitts, and a magnet with cooking times and temperatures for common foods. Made of food-grade silicone and stainless steel. Dishwasher safe and easy to use. Includes a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Cons: a couple buyers received some broken pieces. Bottom line: this set offers a great variety of accessories for the most common Instant Pot sizes. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.